we have to create a UI according to what case study that we created in Jira. So each of the case study, we have to create a UI by using Figma or any other thing also can lah. So I asked doctor that day, she said simplest one also okay lah. So nothing much. We all already know what are our tasks. So we just have to create a UI design and then update it in Jira.
Based on our user stories, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
After done all that, then we have to explain lah how we do that according to the time box.
Okay.
So this is our first stand-up discussion. So before next discussion, I think we can roughly have a draft of the UI design.
Okay. Ada.
Okay.
So UI design, as you guys know, better we have a UTM logo and then we follow the UTM color, UTM logo color, which is I think maroon. Maroon should be. Alright.
When is the due actually?
I think due 31st.
31st. Okay, that's all right for the discussion.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is our second discussion. Previously, like we discussed, like what type of platform we use, like Figma or Stitch. I guess Rupa used Stitch actually. Okay, so I just explain what roughly I did so far today. Okay, I am sorry I can't able to open my Figma, but this is the users. This is the part that I did actually. That means the how to say okay, where I follow based on my user story, library and ICT resource management. That means my side that I can overview what is the total inventories, and then we can I can see how much of the total verified, pending reviews, and also rejection. And my side was like so far I've done until the uploaded, like how much of uploaded inventories that we can upload, and then upload resource inventory. Yes. So like we can upload what type of source, and then we can select the program and upload the file. Okay, so this is actually so far my side that I've done, but not complete yet, because there are few things you all can see. Upload the inventory and then all inventories. Okay, this is so you all understand lah. Okay, so if you all can use Figma by this actually. Okay, then I show Rupa's side. Okay, Rupa use Stitch Stitch platform.
SASHILA, wait, I'll explain mine maybe like roughly a short version.
Sure, okay.
So from my side, I use Stitch. So Stitch I convert to Figma and I do some amendment. So from my side, this one is the dashboard, which it has few features such as evidence repository, AI narrative builder, and QA review status. So whenever we drill into it, it will go to each of the pages. So can move to the next page. Okay, so this is a narrative editor. Okay, so this one is just to get the AI head to do the sentences or maybe like a suggestion lah. So yeah, for now I have done this for my first time frame. So I plan to do the next time frame is like a page that to upload the file of the evidence and also the other things that involve under my user story. So that's from my side.
Okay. So that is from my side. I mean, I'm sorry, that's from Rupa's side and also my side. Actually, my side has so many things to do besides of this actually, so I need to settle mine as well lah. So okay, Darshini I've sent, but I've how to say maybe for the last discussion we overview again, 4 of us. SHARVIN and Tarshini one also. So that's all from both of so far Rupa's and my side only. So the next discussion we will review all our designer together. So yeah, that's all. Thank you everybody.
Okay, guys. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Okay, so okay, my side is done. So basically my side is like has like I'm a program owner, like want to upload and tag physical learning resource inventories in system so that auditories can verify the program has adequate facilities to support teaching and learning activities. So this is the design I use Figma. I actually design use Stitch. I'm sorry, a Stitch platform. So this is how the sign up. The first part, which is like you will have to insert our email address and password, and then the second one is auditory dashboard, so that we know like how to say, like we can know how much critical has been recorded, and also like any audits that we completed or not. Okay, it will appear on the screen lah. So y'all can see like my audits. Okay, there are few thing that I have actually searched from the Google actually based like how does this work. So I just follow it lah. So like culinary arts diploma, bachelor of nursing, mechanical engineering workshop. Okay, and then this one is auditory resource inventory. So like let's say if we choose any one of the one of our audits. Okay, these are the items will be in PO resources in one inventory, uh, the list that we can keep our inventory, like all the things that we needed. The next one is program on a dashboard. So this is my program on a dashboard is like more to quick actions that we can, let's say anything that we want to upload our thing. Okay, I have a section here, total assist, and then if let's say we haven't complete our audit actually, it shows here lah, like how many that we have to complete, and these are the recent activities that it will appear in our screen. And yeah, and as I told you about the upper inventory, okay, these are this is what it shows actually, like add the photo, resource name, description, inventory data, location, and also tag. What is the inventory related about? Is it engineering or is it electronics, like that? Okay, so the second user story is like has an auditor want to review all the evidence related physical learning source, so that I can evaluate whether the program compiles with the COPPA standard resource sufficiently. So yes, so this is like the resource details. So you all like can see like the quantity, the location, and also it shows the description what are the a resource that we select, like example lah, anatomy model of human skeleton. Yes, so you all can see, and also it tags the based on the based on the resource that we choose actually. Okay, okay, this is sharing side. Okay, hold on, okay, sharing here. Okay, haven't yet. It's okay, we'll just move on. Okay, this is sharing side actually. Let's keep his side first. Okay, I'll go to Rupa lah. So Rupa. Rupa.
Okay, let me continue my slide.
Yeah.
So it's Happy Cluster 5.2a research resources. So my user story one is upload and manage research resource evidence. So start from user login. So on my Timebox one, which is the first 2 days, I created the login page, then followed by dashboard. So my dashboard has evidence repository, AI narrative builder, the QA review status. So this I've done on my second phase of Timebox, which is the second 2 days, then followed by QA review and approval as per in my story. So I have a draft under review and final, which shows the status of the application, and then under it I have a narrative status. Then at evidence repository, I have give a space to upload evidence. So when we upload the evidence, it shows the detail of the PDF name, and then who are the person who upload, followed by the date, and then the version. If previously there is a version, it's also stated there. Okay, after that, my user story 2 is about narrative builder, which it uses AI to narrate the wordings for the research resources. So this I had done on my time box version as the last part. So this is what I have done from my side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rupa. Okay, so this is okay. Tari said that she's not well. Okay, Sharvin is here. Let Sharvin. Okay, Tari said that she's not well, but no problem. Day if can by today lah. Today you try to settle it. Your side actually. Okay. Okay. Then I will go to another cluster, which is library ICT learning resources. Okay. So I use this platform using Figma. So the first user story is like has a library admin, like I want to upload library, updated library and ICT resources inventory into system so that our auditors program owner can verify the program has adequate and also learning resources. So my user, how to say, my first dashboard. Okay, when we log in. Okay, so this is will be the how to say, we can see the how total inventories and also how much the library how to say updated updated library resources, like how many inventories and also how many has been verified, pending review and also rejection down there. I've overcut it. So like we can see how much that we has total up here in the overview section. So in the upload section actually we can like upload the inventories, like what are the things, how to say, like what are the resources that we want to upload, and also resources type. We can choose what kind of type, is it related to mathematics or anything, the program, and also upload the file based on the inventory resources. So this will be the uploaded section. The next is the inventory section. Okay, so inventory section is actually just a simple thing to just upload the how to say the inventory file, if it, let's say, it's related to the resources that we wanted to upload. And the next is the AI narrative. Okay, which is my second user story. A program has a program owner. I want to use a AI narrative builder to automatically generate self review narrative for standard 5.3 so that I can ensure accurate, consist reporting for audit purposes. So if let's say this, okay, for the AI narrative section, we can select any program that we want, like engineering or biomedical or computer science. So when let's say we choose any program, okay, here it will be, we can automatically generate our AI narrative here. So yeah, and which is based on the standard 5.3a. Yes. So this is the, you can see the time box that I have done from my side. Okay, since Sharvin is here, so Sharvin can explain his side right now. Okay, I go to Sharvin's side first. Wait. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Why it was so?
Okay, talk.
So for my cluster 5.1, we review the resource allocation and utilization. So the first user story has the program on I want to upload and take review report on the resource adequacy and the installation. So the evidence of priority allocation and improvement action can be verified by the auditor. So the first page you can see uh, the latest review update. First this year UI is designed for the program of owner. So for the right hand side, you can see the upload reviewable evidences. So the second picture, the upload resource review evidence. Yes. So there you can upload what is the document type you want to update, the time, the review time period, discretion, the file upload, and then the tag, everything that you need to upload in the page. Then the top one will show the dashboard lah. Sheila, the top yes. So there is an overview for how many resources we will upload in the system to checked by the auditor. So there are multiple, 6 of them, and some show the date and status given by the auditor. Then we can download the full review for each of that. So this is the first case studies UI, and then second user story is as an auditor. I want to review the evidence related to the advocacy and installation of learning resources so that I can evaluate whether the program conducts systematic review and takes improvement action in line of COPPA standard. So these pages are actually for the auditor. So at this page is the dashboard the auditor can review how many evidence files are there, the time period, and then each folder, the each of the evidence, we can see the below picture. Shila, down. So the left side, the evidence files are there. So right hand side, the installation report, the given by the program owner. So auditor will review everything and then they give any review on the utilization report. They can save as a note there. Then finally, the auditor will be check everything and then they just mention that's valid or corrupted or they need something more evidence. So the above pictures for the right hand side you can see the valid and complete receipt. So the auditor will resend again. They ask the program owner to edit their evidence, everything, provide proper evidence to the auditor, recheck everything and make it valid. Okay, this is from my side.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay.
you.
I think that's all from that's all from all of us, I guess, because we have done our part except Tashini. It's okay. Tari, if you've done your side, you try to upload it by today lah. Okay, but no worries. So but don't forget also guys from our Jira side also, if can upload your the design from here also so that our lecturer can know like what we have done. So yeah, that's all guys. So thanks for coming.
Okay,
Thanks for coming. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Okay, how's that?
Sheila,
Uh,
Sheila,
uh-huh.
access கொடுங்க